wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain. I wish it would rain so we can hide my pain. I'm so ashamed of this human race, of this human race. They made a mess, baby, of this place, baby, of this place. And they're trying to shame me, baby, to my face. So I wish it would rain. Yes, I wish it would rain. I want my black women come back again. And I'll treat you right with all my might. I'll use more than my muscle and might. I'll use my wit to go get it, baby. I treat you like a queen, like royalty. I spoil you, 'cause you spoil me. But I'm so ashamed of this human race, the way they mess up this place. And they're trying to shame it right to my face. So I wish it would rain, cats and dogs. I wish it would rain, rain down pills. I wish it would rain, rain down frogs, baby, just to hide my pain. I'ma say it again, I'ma say it again, I'ma say it again. Say I wish it would rain. Say I wish it would rain. Hey baby, treat you like a queen. Gotta hide my pain. Let it rain down pills, let it rain down pills. Cats and dogs, let it rain down frogs, so we can hide my pain. 'Cause I'm so ashamed of this human race, of this human race. Mess up this place. The kids of the future, and that is true. Baby, we gon' make it through, but let it rain. Just let it rain, just let it rain, just let it rain, so we can hide my pain. I treat you, baby, like royalty. I spoil you, and you spoil me. Just let it rain, just let it rain, just let it rain. Let it rain out pale, cats and dogs.